Hello students, welcome to my channel CGAT Maths. Myself, Dr. Suresh Brother. In this video, we are going to discuss an example based on double integral. Okay, students, how to evaluate this double integral? That is the main question. But it is very easy one. Here we are using some property of partial differentiation. As you know, in partial differentiation, for example, if I have u is equal to x square plus y square, okay, so differentiate u with respect to x, you will get dou u by dou x, right? So whenever you are differentiating with respect to x, we are going to treat y is a constant. Okay, so like that, here also whenever we are integrating, so we are using the principle of partial differentiation, or here we call it as a partial integration. So whenever we are integrating with respect to x, we treat y as a constant, and whenever we are integrating with respect to y, treat x is a constant. So now let us solve this example. Now first you need to observe if the limits of an integration involving y, it corresponds to x, student. Okay, so the remaining should be what? Y is equal to 0. The limit involving in the variables involving in the limit is y. We are going to take it as a x. If it is in terms of x, we are going to take it as a y. So now it is clear. So first we are going to integrate in the reverse order, student. First we are going to integrate with respect to x, then we are going to integrate with respect to y, or you can also observe here also. Okay, so by observing first, just look at here, we are going to integrate first with respect to x, then with respect to y. Okay, so now let us start with let I is equal to first integral runs from y is equal to 0 to 1, okay, and x runs from 0 to square root of 1 minus y square. This is x cube into y into dx into dy. So first we are going to integrate with respect to first x. So on integrating with respect to x, get very carefully, it's very easy one. So first write y is equal to 0 to 1 as it is. Okay, now so here I am going to integrate with respect to x, means y is a constant. I am writing outside. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4 between the limits 0 to square root of 1 minus y square into y. Okay, fine, which is equal to, keep first one as it is, y runs from 0 to 1, okay, into y. Student, you can take 1 by 4 outside the integral because it's a constant. Okay, so what is remaining here? X raised to 4. Okay, substitute upper limit, that is square root of 1 minus y square whole raised to 4 minus lower limit is 0 raised to 4 to dy. Okay, fine. One minute. Okay, fine. Next, which is equal to, keep it 1 by 4 as it is. Integral runs from y is equal to 0 to 1. Keep it y as it is. So this is square root whole raised to 4. Square root whole raised to 4. Just concentrate here. You know that, for example, root, simply can take root x whole raised to 4 can be written as root x whole square whole raised to 2, or simply root x whole square is just x. This is 2 means just x square, like that. This will become 1 minus y square. This will become 1 minus y square whole raised to 2. This is 0 into dy, student. So now here this is a minus b whole square formula. So which is 1 by 4 times of integral y runs from 0 to 1. This is, keep it y as it is, a minus b whole square is 1 square is 1 plus b square is y square whole raised to 2 is y raised to 4 minus 2 into a value is 1, b value is y square means 2y square into dy. To multiply y inside, 1 by 4 times of y runs from 0 to 1. This is y plus y raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 3 into dy, students. So y minus 2y cube plus y raised to 5 into dy equal to 0. Now you are integrating with respect to y here. Now you can integrate here. Integrate with respect to y, and integrating, what will get, students? So 1 by 4 times of integration of y is y square by 2, y raised to 5 is y raised to 6 by 6, again y raised to 3 is y raised to 4 by 4 between the limits 0 to 1. Here we are using the formula integration of x raised to n dx, student. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. For example, integration of y5. So like x is taken as a y raised to 5 is y raised to 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. So like that. So now here substitute upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 4 times of, okay, substitute 1 square by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 raised to 6 by 6 is 1 by 6 minus this is 2 ones are 2 twos are, so this will become 1 by 2 upper limit minus 0 by 2 is 0, 0 by 6 is 0, 0 raised to 4 by 2 is 0. So student, this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. 1 by 4 into 1 by 6 is 1 by 24 is the value of double integral. Thank you so much for watching, students. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.